Okay, guys. Hi, guys. Today we have our Roomba. This is the on and off button, and this is the Wi-Fi button. This is the Wi-Fi white, the battery white, and this is the master switch right here. Then I'm gonna show you the filter. Here, there's the filter. Then you put it in back. And this is the RQ code. And this is the side watches. Let's look at the bottom. Look here, guys. This is the bottom of the Roomba. Look, it has suspension on it. And the bumper. The sensors in here. The brushes. This brushes right here. You can take this off. So cool. And there's a side brush here. You can remove it. And another side brush. This is the web and white. And then we have this little caster. And we got the battery pack. And this is, and I show you how to put the mop in, okay, guys? But the mop is on the box, so I cannot get it, guys. And this is this little caster has been work. And I put the Roomba down here. Well, pretend that's working. You just have to turn on the master switch. I'll show you. Oh, how it makes a sound. And let's round out the battery so it's red. It's starting to clean, guys. Look it. Whoa. No. You might suck the wires. Guys, right here, look at it. Mommy, should I get the mop? The mop? The mop for the Roomba. I'll show you. Now we're gonna put some messes on this here. Okay, guys, we're gonna put some messes in here, guys. Okay, mommy, we're gonna put some 3 messes, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. It sucked it. Look at that, guys, sucked the mess. But this one over here, it's stuck. Oh no, why Roomba's going there now? Look at it. It's right here. Oh, it's gonna go to Daddy's room. It's going to Daddy's room now. It's cute. I will close the door. Mommy, should I close the door? Oh! So I'm gonna close. So stop it. Oh. I just wrapped this one here. So this is, oh, I think the Roomba's under there. I can hear it. I can see the side brushes. No, that. Okay, not that pencil, Roomba. Mommy, Mommy, do you wanna show the kids up the dustbin? No, there's so in the dust. Oh,
Nag-uumpisa pa lang mag-ano eh. Google's just started cleaning. It's not so much because you already filtered, right?
I just checked the filter. Bye guys, subscribe our video if you wanna see more of my Roomba videos. Subscribe. Bye.